Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make the small printer and where to get the materials to build it in Astroneer. This is especially useful for crafting things like bigger printers or some platforms and storages. So to begin, we'll need to find some compounds. Compounds is a material that looks like silvery balls, which you can see right here. This can be found on any planet on the surface, and I've already found some deposits of it on here, but I've already mined some, so there's a big hole. And once you find them, you want to press E to pick out your mining tool and just go ahead, aim at it, and by left clicking and dragging, you can aim at the silvery balls and get the compound. Once you hear a pinging sound and a compound tab above your mining tool, this means you've gathered one compound. So now once you've gathered it, you can go back to your base, but you don't have to. And in your backpack, by pressing the Q key on your keyboard, here on the down side, here is a integrated crafting inside of your backpack, in which you can choose the recipe by clicking either the right or left arrow, and here you want to go to the output small printer by going through the recipes, and once you have the compound inserted right here, which should be done automatically, you want to press on this green button in the middle. This is going to take a little bit of electricity from your backpack, and as you can see, we have this small printer in our inventory. You can pick it out, left clicking on it, and now place it on the ground. Also, you'll need a cable plug port to attach it to, which is going to provide some energy to it. And now to use it, you can just press F, and with the materials in your inventory, you can craft many other items, or you can choose a recipe, close this tab, and then just go ahead and put the necessary materials on top of it, or the blue where there's this blue slots on top of it. So this is pretty much all. How to get the small printer in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.